Okay guys, let's talk about medicine and their uses. The first drug here we have valproic acid used for seizures. We have digoxin used for arrhythmias. We have fluoxetine used for depression. We have levocetirizine used for allergic rhinitis. We have buspirone used for anxiety. It's an anxiety medication. We have risperidone used for schizophrenia. We have benzonatate used for cough. We have lithium used as a mood stabilizer. We have dapagliflozin used to manage heart failure. Finally, we have ramelteon used to treat insomnia. So bye for now. Please subscribe to the channel Expert Medics. Let's make more impact. Turn on the notification.